Drain valves are very robust. In today's commercial machines, we use not a pump drain, but we use a drain valve that's got a full opening ball valve in it, and that allows the water to fall out of the machine versus having to be pumped out. Pumps can get clogged very easily. They wear out really easily, versus a gravity drain system is much more robust. However, things still get down in that wash through the basket around where the basket tub is, and in the basket itself. That will go down the drain, and that will get caught and prevent that drain valve from opening or closing. So most of the problems we see is either they're stuck open, or where something won't allow it to close and it just keeps draining and the water keeps spilling. So the best thing is open up that bottom panel, get in there, open that drain off, disconnect the hoses to it, and take a hard look inside of it to see if you've got feather beds that have exploded, you've got bobby pins, you get nails, you get a host of stuff that will come down that drain and affect that operation of that drain valve. Changing a drain valve, we offer service schools in the fall for all sorts of customers, whether it be our on-premise laundry, our vended laundries, multifamily housing can be part of this. So they're different type machines, require different components on it. But changing a drain valve, whether it's a top loader with a pump drain or a commercial washer with a drain that's hanging underneath it, it's fairly easy to change out. And that's one of the topics that we cover during our service schools is what are the easily repairable items that you as the owner of the machine can take care of versus calling out a qualified technician. And we know it's expensive to send them out, so we want to be able to help with that by having a service school that teaches you how to do these things, and a nice website that you can go to buy parts at a good price to be able to keep your ownership cost down as much as possible.